In today's lesson, we will discuss what comments are in any programming language and how we can declare those comments in Python specifically. Comments provide us with information about instructions in any programming language, that what is about to be computed on this instruction. Comments are never a part of programming code because they never play a role in the execution of a program. It is only a document in any code which we can call a built-in document which provides information to any programmer that wants to reuse that program. It makes the readability of the code very easy and provides meta information about the project and is not a part of the code. Let's see how we can make comments on Python. In Python, we have three types of comments. One is single line, another are multiple line, and one are docstrings. We will discuss all three of them. What are docstrings? How can we pass multi-line comments and how single line comments are passed? For passing single line comments, you must always let it run again. This here is ours. We pass a comment. Comment here is my new lesson. This is our output. Now in this program, the first line that is written, here is my new lesson, has no role. If I want to comment any coding line, I can comment it also. If I have commented this variable of this line, I have placed the hash symbol before it and it has converted my whole line to comment. This line is not a part of this code anymore. If I execute it now, it has displayed this variable, ran this instruction. This will have to make single line comments. If I want to make multi-line comments, for it I have to place single quotes before and at the end of the line. I have to make comments at, or print triple double quotes before and at the end of it. It will make multi-line comments also. Means that after this line nothing will be output. If I will print something outside the lines, it will print out. How do we perform the third method, which is called the docstring? If I make a function, define multiply, I pass some increment here, multiplication is, and this function. I call this function after going out of its scope. There is a particular method to call which we will see. So print, let's simply print it. Now what docstring will do is docstring will name a function multiply dot double underscore dot and then double underscore. When we will run it, it has described the comment that was placed inside this function, that what this function is actually doing here. This is called docstring comment. Now what we have is that are there any shortcuts available to us to display any comment? So yes, we do have a shortcut available in Python, which we will write as Alt 3, and that line will be converted to comments. Now when I will run it, it has counted both my lines in comment and thus both these lines are not a part of our code, our programming anymore.